1. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Avoid outshining superiors. Always make those above you feel superior. If you are too competent or successful, you risk alienating or threatening them. Instead, make your superiors appear more capable and let them take credit for your successes. 2. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Keep plans hidden. Don't reveal your goals or strategies too soon. By keeping your intentions secret, you prevent others from countering your moves and maintain control over situations. Deception and misdirection can be powerful tools. 3. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Be noticed. In the pursuit of power, visibility is crucial. Whether through charm, controversy, or other means, you must always keep yourself in the spotlight. Being ignored is the worst fate for someone seeking power. 4. Law 15. Crush your enemy totally. Eliminate rivals completely. When you confront an enemy, do not leave them a chance to recover or retaliate. By totally crushing them, you prevent any future threats to your power. Partial victories can leave you vulnerable. 5. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Stay independent. Avoid entangling alliances and commitments that can limit your freedom. By maintaining independence, you keep others off balance and maintain the ability to maneuver and adapt to changing situations. 6. Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Find weaknesses. Everyone has a vulnerability, a weakness that you can exploit. By identifying and pressing on these weaknesses, you can manipulate others to your advantage and achieve your goals more effectively. 7. Law 48. Assume formlessness, be adaptable. In a world of constant change, rigidity can be a downfall. By being formless, adapting to circumstances and changing strategies, you remain unpredictable and resilient, which is key to maintaining power over the long term.